1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, welcome to Natural Favorite C. I'm coming to you through Zoom today, and this is because I want to show you how I edit my videos. Usually, I edit my videos through my phone, and it's usually convenient for me, but I want to see how it is using a computer. So, I'm going to be using Zoom to share my screen and show you how I do that. Also, as you can see, I am putting on a robe, and this is because I am always cozy whenever I am editing my videos. I'm always laying down on my bed or sitting in a good comfortable position. I also have a virtual background. That is one reason why I love Zoom, and I really like this background. It's so simple, and I googled it, so and I saved it from Google. Also, the pearls that are around here are from Zoom. They're one of the filters. So I have my headphones on and my earbuds on, and I'm just trying to be comfortable here editing my videos. So I started already, but I'm gonna show you the little things that I do. I'm not gonna show you the whole video. It's not a tutorial, it's just me showing you what I want to do. Also, I'm going to show you how I make my thumbnails. This time I'm going to be doing through my computer. Usually I use my phone. I use Photo Collage and Magic Pick, but today I'll be using Canva, and we'll see how that goes. So let's go. All right, so here I am with the video. This was from my previous video. Also, I didn't say something. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe right now and click on the bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Welcome all of you. I'm so excited that you're here again with me. And in a previous video, I did a fro hug video, and it was not a tutorial. It was just me trying it for the first time. This year is a year of trying things for the first time, so I decided, why not try to see how I can edit my videos on my computer if it is easier than using my phone, which it is. I feel like it is not, but let's see how it goes, right? So here is the raw video. Here are the raw videos from the previous video, and these are things that you guys do not see. I feel like if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna use my phone and do what I usually do. So let us see. So here is the intro. I'm um, gonna split this. So splitting is just a way of you dividing one part from the whole video. So I'm splitting that part because it's not necessary, and I'm going to delete it. So start again. Hey guys, how are you doing? Happy new month. This is a new month, December. It's almost Christmas. So I'm just gonna add, usually I like to add text to make it more dramatic. So this is how your text is like. Okay, Christmas. This is kind of weird. 6. This, then I'm going to make that white. I don't know, whatever. That is okay for me. So this is a new one. December. It's almost Christmas, guys. Almost. And put this here. December. It's almost Christmas, guys. Almost. And yeah. So welcome to Natural Favorite C. And if you're new here, welcome, and I hope that you like my content and that you subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome also. I'm happy to see you here. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on that subscribe button down below or on the screen somewhere, and also click on the bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Today we are going to be doing I'm going to be doing a frohawk, but not a frohawk. I don't know how to explain. You're gonna see it. It's a frohawk, but I'm gonna like make it like. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you guys the whole video, so I'm just going to just keep going and see what else that I can change. I'll be trying this today. So as you can see, I've added a transition over here, and for some reason my brush strap decided to show, but that's fine. I took care of it. Yeah, so there are a lot of interruptions by my sister, and I had to remove those parts. And I realized that they don't have a way to crop the picture, I mean the video, which is not usually what I go through. When I'm editing my pictures, I usually have a way to zoom in. So if there was a way. Well, if there's no way, then I'm just gonna have to use my phone to do this. But well, this was a good challenge though. So this was a pretty easy video to do, and I don't think it would take me that long to edit. I usually don't like my videos to go over 15 minutes, and so this is already at 18 minutes. It was at 21 before, so I'm going to make it like 15 minutes or 13 minutes. And you know, I was saying a lot of things that didn't even make sense, which happens when you're filming and you don't really like know what to say and all those things. So that is fine. You just have to make sure that you are cut those parts out, except you want to show it intentionally on your page. So also, do you guys like my new intro? I like my new intro. I did it as a tutorial for somebody that was trying to learn how to make an intro. Should I do that video? Should I make an intro and outro tutorial video? Should I? You want me to do that? Yeah, so that is all. I just usually split videos, add text, remove the portions of the videos that I do not like, and that is basically it. And I also try to, you know, change the frame of the pictures of the videos. Like I try to zoom in a little bit and zoom out, you know, but they don't have that here, and if they do, I cannot see anywhere here, so I'm just going to have to use my phone to do this. But hopefully if you guys can recommend what type of editing app that you use on your computer, maybe I can try that also, but this is already giving me a headache, so I'm just gonna go away from this. So now I'm going to start doing my thumbnail, which might not be hard on Canva. So let's see. I've never used Canva for my thumbnail, but I use Canva for my channel arts and banners. So let's see how this goes. You guys, I thought I was recording. Thing that I realized on time. So I had already made everything, but let me just redo. So basically I was torn between these two pictures, and I decided to go for this one over here. So let me redo everything that I did. I was really undecisive on what I wanted, but then I added a text, and then I said that thumbnail is about informing your viewers about what your video is about, but not making it a clickbait, but actually like giving them a hint of what your video is going to be about. So like my video, the previous video was about Frohawk, and so that is why I put on Frohawk trial. You can make it fun, more fun than mine, but just going to keep redoing. So I finally chose this picture, and then I added the other picture as like kind of then I felt like it was too bland. It looked good, but I felt like it was too bland, so I decided to add some elements that would make it like pop more. So there you have it. My background, should I change it to Oh wow, that looks really good. And I'm just going to do this. Okay, so here is the thumbnail and download. And there you have it. That is all for this video, guys. Stop share. Yeah, so that is all for this video. That is how I make my thumbnail, but not with Canva. I use my phone, but it's actually really interesting using Canva because I still had to use my phone though, like to remove the background of some pictures, and yeah, I still have to use my phone. So what's the use of using I mean, Canva is beautiful. I love the backgrounds. I love everything that he have. But at the same time, I think it's just easier just laying down with my phone than sitting down with my computer, you know? So yeah. Well, let me know what you thought about this video, and I didn't really do justice for the editing because the app really like messed me up. So I'm just gonna use my phone to do that. I mean, the video is already gonna be out before this video is out, so yep. Okay guys, if you haven't subscribed yet and you've gotten up to this point, please do so and give this video a like, and also comment below what you liked about this video. Do you like the thumbnail of this video also? So thank you very much, and also tell me, for you YouTubers, how do you edit your videos? What apps do you use, and what how do you make your thumbnail? What app do you use to make your thumbnail? So thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.
I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we miss